Hello, this is the DSO138 digital oscilloscope one channel do-it-yourself soldering kit. This is after I soldered it. It is working, first try. This is the build-up video. After the next minute, we're going to see a step-by-step build-up. This is a nice wave. There's a test signal. It's a 1 kilohertz signal. Connecting the signal. It's very nice. Now let's see the build-up. This is the PCB that comes with it. All the SMD parts are already soldered to it. This is the display module. This is the instruction pages. There are steps to follow. With the schematics of the circuits. Here are the electronic components, the headers, the sockets. It is quite easy to assemble. The only shortcoming is that you have a lot of parts to solder. Resistors are on. Buttons are on. Capacitors are on. Transistors are on. Variable capacitors are on. The green thing is to the left. More capacitors are on. Headers are on. switches are on, sockets, cable sockets are on. Now, if we want to solder the display, we want it to align with the headers, we are going to solder it while the headers are inside. It will be way more easy to remove it afterwards than to try to match it after we soldered it. Now we're going to check voltage. We're supposed to get a 3.3 volts voltage, and afterwards we are going to wire to solder this jumper. Jumper that we're going to solder. Now it is soldered. That's it. Focusing. Now let's mount the display. Now let's see if it works. Wait. That's it. And it works. Let's remove this protective sheet. Ta-da! It works. Now let's check something. We did, as you can see, there's a 1 kHz test loop that we are going to check. I'm connecting this to here, and this I assume to ground. And nothing happens. Let's play with the switches. Oh, this is nice. Let's zoom in, I assume. Zoom out. Let's go to auto. I assume that I need to play with the capacitors, because as you can see, the signal is a bit noisy. But amazingly, it works. Let's do a reset. This is cool. Let's go to auto mode. There's the mode. Running. I assume that I need to read the manual. AC. Oh. Hold. This changes the interval of the resolution. No idea what this does, and it is quite nice. I wonder how I can lower it. I have no idea how to do it. Whoa, okay. is supposed to be a 1 kilohertz, a 3.3 volt signal. This arrow goes down and up when I press the plus minus. I have no idea what this means. This is hold. Well, I'm going to connect it to an Arduino and check for signals that I create. I think that I'm going to read the manual how to use this scope. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.